मैं भी उनको बताना चाहती हूँ सर, इन्होंने शायद इंस्टाग्राम नहीं देखा, सब बीजेपी के लोगों ने देखा भी होगा तो बोलेंगे नहीं पता है, सबके बच्चे हमारे साइड पे, उनके साइड पे तो किसी के बच्चे नहीं है। इनकी अगली जनरेशन ना इनके साथ नहीं, हमारे साथ भी नहीं है शायद। हम जो डिलुलू के बारे में बोले ना, आप भी उस डिलुलू में ना रहना कि वो आपके साथ है।
भाजपने डेल्युलीमध्ये राहू नये असं म्हणत खासदार सुप्रिया सुळे यांनी जेनझीच्या भाषेतच खडेबोल सुनावलेत. पेपरफुटीच्या मुद्द्यावरून सुप्रिया सुळेंचं हे आक्रमक भाषण विशेष गाजलं. लोकसभेत अँटी पेपर लीक विधेयकावर चर्चा सुरू असताना सुळे यांनी सरकारवर जोरदार टीका केली.
श्रीमती सुप्रिया सुळे.
Thank you, sir, very much. Before I start my speech, I'll make a small point and compliment Tejasvi Suryaji for his very eloquent speech and fiery speech. But I would like to make a small, with full humility, make a small suggestion to him. Maybe he's not aware, or maybe he's aware and it missed out. ऐसे भी हो सकता है, sir. He said that this public examinations amendment bill has been brought by them to make a claim, change. This is not a bill that the government has brought, sir. It's an amendment. It's not a bill. The bill first came in 2016, then it came in 24. This is an amendment coming in 26. So this claim, just let's put the record straight. Yeah, I appreciate.
Correct.
So the thing is that this bill, after everything that I've heard, sir, is full of a lot of internal contradictions, external inconsistency, because of which there's going to be a national confusion in this policy and institutional chaos. This is something that's alarming me in this bill. The reason being, sir, there are three technical points. Unfortunately, the education minister, who I have seen with so much energy after a long time, I mean, the way he was battling a cabinet minister of India, demanding to a speaker कि मेरे स्पीकर को 5 मिनट दे दो. I've been in parliament for 20 years. ऐसा सीन तो मैंने कभी नहीं देखा. राजनाथ सिंह जी, आप तो बहुत सालों से हम सब के बड़े वरिष्ठ नेता है. कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर का ऐसा बर्ताव तो मैंने कभी नहीं देखा स्पीकर से लड़ते हुए कि मेरे स्पीकर को 5 मिनट दे दीजिए. You are an education minister of India. If he is the education minister of India, he has to have the dignity to show what he is, to lead by education. This is not some comedy of BJP Karyakarta working. He is education minister of India, sir. And we are very proud about education. The equality that child was talking about, that's the equality education being. It's a very serious topic. This is not some Karnataka assembly where hasi mazak is going on. This is a question of children's life. 21 children have and they are talking about this. आप एजुकेशन को हल्के में लेंगे? सर, मैं यहाँ टीका करने नहीं आई थी. मुझे लगा इतनी अच्छी डिबेट होगी, हम कुछ 4 अच्छी चीजें बोलेंगे, वहां से कुछ अच्छा आएगा और देश को एक मैसेज जाएगा कि इस पूरे मामले में हमसे एक आवाज में, जैसे पहलगाम के अटैक पर ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में हम सब लड़े थे, मेरी अपेक्षा थी कि शिक्षा के बारे में ये इनका बर्ताव होगा. बट ये उम्मीद क्या करेंगे? एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर ऐसा बिहेव कर रहा है पार्लियामेंट में. और ये जो नया जेनजी का लिंगो यूज कर रहे हैं ना, मैं भी उनको बताना चाहती हूँ सर, इन्होंने शायद इंस्टाग्राम नहीं देखा, सब बीजेपी के लोगों ने देखा भी होगा तो बोलेंगे नहीं पता है, सबके बच्चे हमारे साइड पे, उनके साइड पे तो किसी के बच्चे नहीं है. इनकी अगली जनरेशन ना इनके साथ नहीं, हमारे साथ भी नहीं है शायद. हम जो डिलुलू के बारे में बोले ना, आप भी उस डिलुलू में ना रहना कि वो आपके साथ है. आपकी जनरेशन किसके साथ है ये 29 में पता चलेगा, तब देखा जाएगा. But nobody be in this Gen Z, and we are not fighting. Why are we getting into the lingo of the Gen Z? That's not what we are. ये कोई ऑक्सफोर्ड डिक्शनरी का सवाल के लिए चर्चा नहीं कि आप कितने शब्द जानते हैं और मैं कितने शब्द जानती हूँ. We are here for a very serious issue. People on Jantar Mandar, sir, I was sitting in the Lok Sabha canteen, house was not functional. You also missed it. We've all heard the loud sounds outside. किसकी आवाज थी? वो टेयर गैस की आवाज थी. पता नहीं पिलेट्स चल रहे थे सर. हम डरे नहीं क्योंकि हम इस सिक्योर वातावरण में बैठे. बस उस माँ के बारे में आप सोचिए जिसका बच्चा उस जंतर मंतर थे, उस माँ पे क्या गुजर रही होती. वी आर सिटिंग इन दिस वेरी VIP एरिया विद सो मेनी पुलिस. कोई दरवाजा पार्लियामेंट का बंद कर रहा है, कोई इतने सारे पुलिस है. हम तो सिक्योर है ना. आपके बच्चे चिंता में है ना मेरे बच्चे चिंता है. बस उस माँ बाप का सोचिए जिनके बच्चों का करियर है. सर, मैं भी एक माँ हूँ. जब रिजल्ट आता है ना, एक दिन पहले नींद नहीं आती. अभी मेरे तो बच्चे बड़े हो गए, तो अभी सीबीएसई चल रहा है, सोचते पढ़ते हैं। आप सोचिए जिसके बच्चे का एडमिशन जो केजी के लिए प्रॉब्लम आता है, उसकी माँ पे फैमिली पे क्या गुजरती, उनके पास कुछ होता नहीं है सर। एक रोटी खाते हैं, शायद आधी खाटी होती है, इसलिए वो पैसा भर भर के पेट की भूख काट काट के बच्चों को पढ़ाते कि जो मेरा हुआ मेरे बच्चों का ना हो। What is a degree? It is your recognition. No caste, nothing can stop you. Once you have a good degree on your forehead, your life is made. What was Bhimrao, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar? How did he get recognition? It's purely on merit and his education. This is what I was expecting from this government, and I'm hugely disappointed as a parliamentarian, as a parent, because I expected more from them. I really did, and I'm saying this with pain. Think of all. I'll tell you the measures this government has taken. I'll tell you 3 points which I'd really like the Honorable Minister, who was, I don't know what had happened to him today. He's actually quite a serious man. 3 things that he has done. In 2016, 2016 में इसी सरकार की एक report है sir. In that, what is the government said when the first bill was introduced? That we have the report of the standing committee. We are working on it. Bill आ गया, उसके बाद standing report ही भी working करेंगे. And we will take all of you into confidence and move in this direction forward. What happened? This is 2016. Then comes 2024. Honorable Nadda ji's reply. Honorable Nadda ji ने कहा एक reply में कि the Supreme Court at that point had intervened, but the intention of the government to bring NEET. It's not the Supreme Court that has brought NEET. It is the government it has brought NEET. I'm not saying that. This is Nadda ji replying. The paper is right here. But what is in the bill? That is very interesting, sir. The bill, point number 6, says in the statement and the objectives of the bill, it says, in the view of the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court, NEET became mandatory for all undergraduate and postgraduate admissions with immediate effect. However, some state governments, so is it Supreme Court done it? Or has this government done it? Can they kindly clarify? And both these documents are parliament documents, not my creations. One is a reply and one is a bill. So can this government get out of this jingoism and get serious and tell us why really this bill has come up? Are you trying to tell me that you can't fix a system? There are countries, sir, there's a law exam in this country which is taken countrywide. Aaj tak public service, sir, aapka exam, aap khud police rahe. How come government exams don't get then fixed? And you're trying to tell me that the crooks are better than the government system in this country? Kya baat kar rahe? This is an education secretary talking. Sir, and after Jantar Mantar, have you all not seen the pain of the mothers, the children? I request the government, ek inquiry lagaiye. Why don't you make an SIT and find out who really gave the orders and what went wrong that day? Sir, let there be an inquiry and let it be transparent, fair. I'm not saying who did it, who gave the order, ये नहीं मैं कह रही हूँ. ये फिर इस देश में ना हो, इसलिए we have to do it. Those sites were horrific, sir. No India, and it's not just about India. It as a parent I'm talking. Every child that I know wanted to come to Delhi and support Jantar Mantar. Children were sleeping on the streets. और कोई यहाँ से कह रहा है कि foreign हाथ है. Children are making memes, sir. ये समोसा चाइना के पैसे से आया है. ये चाय पाकिस्तान के पैसे से आया. वो सब नहीं चलने वाला. Those days are over, sir. Like Tejasvi Surya said, these kids are very, very smart. There's a meme that is also going on, sir. I have so many memes. There's one beautiful girl from Maharashtra called Ahir, her name is. She was standing in front of the police alone. Look at the courage of that girl. She was standing alone in front of the bus to stop the bus. It's an iconic photograph, sir. It makes you feel so proud that जिस लड़की को हमने पढ़ाया ना, उसको ना बोलने की ताकत जो देनी चाहिए ना, उस लड़की में है.
अब पुलिस उसको बुला रही है.
और पुलिस उसको बोल रही है नहीं छोड़ दो. Another small incident I'll tell you what the police has done, which has disturbed me as a parent. 50 grams. The children were all arrested and were taken to the police station. And the policeman is telling the children, तुम ज्यादा मत बोलना. अगर ज्यादा बोलोगे तो 50 ग्राम पाउडर डाल दूंगा और तुम्हारा लाइफ बर्बाद हो जाएगा. What is this, sir? Should we not, as there are parents on that side, these are parents, किसी के बच्चे के साथ ये हो सकता है. सिर्फ मेरे बच्चे नहीं, आप हमारे सबके घर में बच्चे हैं. So we really need to put our minds to it, sir, and find out that how can we fix this issue. It's not about UPA versus NDA. I repeat, sir, it is system versus aspiration. So I request this government to take this matter seriously. Two demands I have asked on behalf of our party. If you really want to see the system, form a JPC. Let's all put our minds together, call every stakeholder and come up with a bill which is leak-proof completely. That's one suggestion. Let them call a all-party meeting. Sabka Sujhav. We are on the same side as you. Why are you looking at us as enemies when it comes to education? Just because we're in a democratic system, we are not your enemies. We are friends. We are on the same side in the larger interest. And the second is to ask for a detailed inquiry about what happened all over India, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, wherever every child is hit. We want answers for it. And I hope Rajnath Singh ji is one of the tallest leaders in Indian politics today. I'm blessed that he was here. With folded hands, I request him, Rajnath ji, please kuch kariye.
Thank you, ma'am. Honorable Minister Rajnath Singh ji, आपका नाम लिया गया.